What's up guys, welcome back again, and this is another episode of what's on my Android phone. And this is August, so I have a lot of apps to show you guys here. This is OnePlus 3 and this is Nexus 6P. So we will first start with the launchers that I'm using. And this is the smart launcher that I'm using as of now from the last 1 week, I can say. So already I have shown you all the pros, cons and features. So this is my Nexus 6P, and I always try to run the default Google launcher, Google Now launcher, because the Nexus 6P looks pretty stunning since this is stock phone. So I don't want to change it much even. Right? And there is another launcher, guys, I have just created. So this is what it looks like. You can see here, this is the most probable launcher that will be launched in the Android Google Nexus phone. So you can see there's a Chevron based app drawer, and this is a direct G button that can use open the Google Now stuffs here. I just created this launcher using Nova Launcher Prime, so there is a complete video, so you can easily create that, and all the files that you needed are put in the descriptions. So I have already made a detailed video how I get the wallpaper. So generally I do Google web search, and I already shown you how to get the best Quad HD and Full HD, whatever resolution you want. And these wallpapers are for the default Nexus launcher. So they are about to come in this is rumors that these are the wallpapers that you might get in the new Nexus phone. So as you can see, this is all the wallpapers I have in my Google Drive. Already I have posted all the wallpaper on my Facebook page. So mostly I use the same stuff. So I have the Microsoft account for protecting my Outlook accounts, and I'm still using this authenticator for the Google account. So these are the two very important security apps that I always recommend to use all of the Google and Android users. In case you have Microsoft account, go ahead and use the Microsoft account too. And apart from that, I'm also using this CM backup for my backing up my daily SMS calls log and contacts, because I don't rely on Google stuff, and sometimes doesn't restore the things here. And this is the DU antivirus that I'm using. The reason for me using this is the private image log, because everybody has so many personal stuff to protect. So I used to protect my private image, that's why I'm using this. Otherwise I'm not worried about this antivirus and virus stuff. There is a new addition to my app drawer yesterday night. This is Password Keeper. So I really like that app. This is from the BlackBerry Hub Plus services. So this is just recently launched. Actually this is launched yesterday itself. So very nice app. BlackBerry is known for the most secure stuff, so go ahead and use that app. On the social apps, I generally use only Hike and WhatsApp, apart from this Twitter, Instagram. So these are my favorite social apps, because I really don't have much time to spend on Snapchat and all the stuff. And apart from that, also I'm using this InstaSaver. This is InstaSaver for saving Instagram picture. And there's also another app called Tags for Likes. So that gives me all the randoms, most popular tags that you should want to use. That this is Tags for Likes. So I have some favorite set of apps. For example, this is a YouTube Creator Studio, the ad I need to use for all the comments and statics and everything check. This is YouTube for the YouTube videos and uploading the videos itself. And I also use the ES File Explorer. So this is no doubt one of the best file explorer, but this is I feel to me it is very complex to me. So I use this when I need to navigate to system files. Otherwise I use this GNUI file manager just to transfer my files between phone and the computer, vice versa. So it's pretty nice app. And apart from that, I am also using this CM swipe, and it has sort of bugs though, but still I'm using that. I used to get this swipe feature from here notification panel, so I need to take a screenshot for a lot of stuff, so I'm using that here too. Otherwise I use Google Keep for syncing notes between that. And Clipboard Actions, this is one of my favorite apps, because it used to copy all my stuff that I have written. And apart from that, there is new addition here. This is called the BlackBerry Hub. So it is very nice. I used to see all the notifications of the WhatsApp, Instagram, Hike and emails and everything else in a single place here. This app is also launched yesterday along with the Password Keeper and the BlackBerry Calendar, along with the BlackBerry Hub Plus services. So watch that video. This is very nice here. And also I'm using this AJ screen recorder. So this is pretty nice here. I used to rotate my phone and it works very fine here. And I have another app called IFTTT. So this is one of my favorite productivity apps. I post all my stuff, whatever I do here. It shares all my stuff on Instagram and Twitter. So kind of nice app. And also I'm using this Google Drive and the OneDrive to sync all data between Windows phones and Android phones. So this is all my productivity apps. Playing Pokemon Go on both the places. So this is a rooted device, so I have installed the Xposed installer, Xposed framework. So you will get along with that the Pokemon Go controls and some other apps. I have this Poke Poke Detector. So Poke Notify has been removed from the Play Store. Still I have that installed, but in here the Nexus 6P, since this is not rooted, so I'm using this Fly GPS. So it is works pretty much fine. So in case you have devices here, for example, that is running Marshmallow, you can install that Fly GPS. It doesn't need any root, any special provisions, but there are some issues if you're using on the Lollipop. So I have heard a lot of comments. I'm still working on which app should be good for If we talk about the game, so there is not much game here. I'm just playing right now this Pokemon Go, and else I have the Asphalt 8 and Earn to Die 2. I was using Shift key earlier, but I'm using Google Keyboard because one of the feature I really like is to add the background image in that one. So apart from that, the new Google Keyboard 5.1 also has so many cool features and shortcuts. So I won't cover it here. So there's a detailed video, so make sure to watch that too. My OnePlus is rooted, so I'm using a couple of the rooted apps too. For example, I'm using this uninstall, and also I am using this quick boot and the greenify, because this gives a lot of flexibility to control our phone more. So I'm working on that one, so I will show you guys a new video. I prefer only the stock camera. As you can see, this is stock oxygen and this is stock Google camera, so I never really change much because I like to keep stock cameras. Otherwise I have open camera too, in case I have to film some video in which I don't want to record the audio itself, so then I use open camera. And as a backup I am using Camera MX. So these are the three camera software that I really use, and they works pretty much fine. And rest of them I have a lot of crap apps that I used to working on. So many stuffs like my Airtel, my F free, and Instago. Then the gallery apps are there, and some the local Amazon, Flipkart, and all the apps there. This is a Prisma that is recently launched to Android, so there is also new video. Make sure to check that out. It's a cloud-based app, so I really use because it takes a lot of time, but it adds really nice filters. And some of the other apps like Tapet and this Truecaller, Turbo VPN, Google Translate, so TWRP Manager, VLC. So that's usual general stuff that you guys might have. These are the general stuff that you all guys might have on your phone too. So that's it, guys. I signed my Android phone August 2016. So do let me know in case you have any important apps that you should be thinking that other people used to. So I will try to cover that app in coming weeks. So hope you guys find the video helpful. This is Saurabh. Thanks for watching.